Today we give glory to the Almighty God for the commissioning. We are going to commission 5 projects here today in Makurdi. This is our pledge and commitment. With all the challenges and the scarce resources, we've been able to judiciously use the resources that came before us to execute this work. And this particular road that we're commissioning here today is 14 kilometers of road, this particular one. There are many others that we're going to commission in Makurdi, and several other ones that will be commissioned on a later date. In addition, as you have heard, there is on this road a 14-kilometer electricity that we have completed and our people are already using. It's our intention to continue to do our best, and today's occasion is to prove to skeptics and those people who think that we cannot achieve this, that yes, in Benue State, we are not just ensuring security for lives and property, but we are also ensuring that we add value for our own dear people. So I want to welcome my colleagues. Each of them is going to commission a project, and at least this particular one, it is my pleasure to invite our dear friend, a friend of Benue, Dr. Nyesom Wike, to formally make some remarks and commission the road project and the electricity project. You are welcome.
Dr. Samuel Ortom and your beautiful wife, Your Excellencies, my dear brothers, who are making Nigeria proud, the governors of Abia State, Enugu State, and Oyo State. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, Your Excellency, the former Governor of Benue State, Disable Senator Gabriel Suswan, and their colleagues, senators, particularly my friend, Comrade Abba Moro, members of the National Assembly that are here, the Speaker of the State House of Assembly and the incoming Governor of Benue State, and members of the Assembly, local government chairmen, members of State Executive Council, our dear traditional rulers, our women, our youth, our dear children from various schools that are here, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of my colleagues from other states, let us thank the Governor and the good people of Benue State for inviting us to be part of this celebration of good governance, celebration of dividends of democracy. We feel humbled that we are part of this. I listened to particularly the first man who spoke and then the traditional ruler. The whole essence of governance, one is to make people to be happy. Two is to make economic activities that to thrive. With this 14 kilometers of road, you can imagine communities and like they say the food basket. This is an agri state, and when you produce, you don't have road to take your produce to the city. It makes no sense. But with this 14 kilometers of road and rural electrification, you have made life simple for the people that are in this area. And that is all about governance. As well, Dr. Tom, we want to say we're very proud of you that you have not abandoned your people. You made promises, and this is what we say, promise made, promise fulfilled. I'm sure your wife will be happy that you did not disappoint her. We are also happy that you did not disappoint us. So we are glad that just today, 5 major projects to be commissioned. It is not easy. I want to tell you, do not relent. Continue till 29th of May 2023, when they will swear in the right honorable speaker as governor of Rivers State. And I therefore invite our host and his beautiful wife and my colleagues and the civil senators and other leaders to join us as we commission this road. Thank you and God bless you.
Photographers, clear. Hey. Go one side. Hold the mic and go.
Today, the 7th of November 2022, on behalf of my colleagues who are here, we commissioned this road, which is named after the first speaker of the Benue State House of Assembly, Honorable Ayum Num. What that means is that those who have contributed to the development of the state are being remembered. And so those of us who have opportunity to work for the state, because tomorrow too, the governor here will be remembered when he gives office by the people of Benue State. And I therefore say that the people who use this route will use it well, and they will drive the economic activities of this area. I have commissioned this road in the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Holy Spirit. Commissioned by my humble self, the governor of Rivers State, on this day, Monday, 7th of November 2022, to the glory of God.